What's up, everybody? Welcome back to this week's Inspiration Station broadcast. I'm Scott Arietta with Inspire Business Concepts, and today I'm going to be introducing you to Evernote, an indispensable application that boldly proclaims that it can help you to remember everything. Now, those are ambitious words, but I can tell you that after spending a few solid months using Evernote for myself, I think that catchphrase might not be so far-fetched. So stick around for a few minutes. I'll give you a tour in this Inspiration Station product review. It's hard to sum up what exactly Evernote is. Some call it a memory aid service. Others refer to it as a digital personal assistant. I would suggest that neither of those designations go quite far enough. For me, Evernote is pretty much my digital brain. Today, I can't really picture my life without Evernote, but to be truthful, it took me a while to really understand the true potential of it. In fact, my first encounter with Evernote was when I downloaded the iPhone app a few years ago, before its latest slew of upgrades. Now at that time, I dismissed it as basically being a notepad app on steroids, but it turns out that it is much, much more than that. The single best thing about Evernote is its accessibility. If you're working from your trusty laptop, you can use Evernote for Mac or Windows. If you're using someone else's computer or are stuck at the office, you can still get access to your notes at evernote.com. And if you're nowhere near a computer, but happen to have your smartphone with you, yep, you guessed it, Evernote is right there waiting for you too. And when you're done cataloging your precious gems of inspiration, Evernote will sync that information to all of your devices automatically. Now to some, this might seem like overkill, but when you think about it, you can never really predict the moment that inspiration will strike you. But when it happens, you want to be prepared. And with Evernote, you will be. So let's say you're a musician trying out some potential melodies for a song you're working on in the middle of rush hour traffic. You'll probably want to have the built-in audio recorder in Evernote going, just in case you happen to stumble upon your next big hit. Or let's say that you're surfing the internet on your laptop and you come across an inspirational quote that you want to save for later. Just highlight the text that grabbed you and use Evernote's browser plugin to grab it and store it in your online notebook. Or let's say that you're helping a friend shop for a new car and you want to show her all the pictures of the vehicles you've researched for her. Well, instead of sending her an email filled with links or attachments, you can use the online application on Evernote.com to create a custom notebook for your friend, publish your notebook to a URL, and give her access to all the research you've done so far and will do in the future with just one simple link. Now, I've only really scratched the surface of the things that Evernote can do. The applications are literally endless. Full points for features. Overall, Evernote is pretty intuitive. The web interface is nice and clean and looks pretty much the same as the downloadable Mac and Windows app. The iPhone app is also pretty user-friendly. The only thing I can really ding Evernote for is the fact that the user experiences for each distinct Evernote application are slightly different, and each application has slightly different functionality. For example, if you want to share your notes on Facebook or publish to a URL, the web application on Evernote.com offers a convenient sharing button that is right on your home screen. On the desktop app, however, you have to dig around a little bit to find the share function, and there's no Facebook sharing capability as of the time of this review. Another minor quirk is that though you can create lists easily in the desktop app, you can't create them in the iPhone app, though you can check items off the list, which is nice if you're at the grocery store and derive satisfaction from seeing that gratifying little tick mark next to your items. Overall, this is just a minor critique, since the functionality offered by each app is more than sufficient for its intended application. Now, if you've gotten this far, you're probably thinking, so what is this going to cost me? That's the crazy part. Evernote is basically free. You can create an account online, download the apps for Mac, PC, smartphone, or tablet for $0. With the free version, you have a data usage cap of 60 megabytes per month, but this is plenty for most users who will be using Evernote primarily to jot down notes, put together checklists, record short audio reminders, or snag the occasional screenshot. Even the premium version is reasonably priced at $5 per month or $45 per year. Now for that paltry sum, you get more storage, advanced search capabilities, and the ability to access your notebooks offline. You also get read-edit capability for your shared notes and the ability to upload Microsoft Office files. Now personally, Ryan and I use Dropbox for all of our document sharing needs, but that's a discussion for an upcoming product review. Overall, I don't know what I would do without Evernote. As a blogger, this tool has helped me tremendously since I am notorious for having numerous epiphanies throughout the day and completely forgetting about them moments later. Evernote has made those days a thing of the past. Evernote is perfect for entrepreneurs, executives, or anyone who just needs a tool to help them get more productive and organized. Now, we'll be posting video tutorials in the near future with some Evernote best practices that we've picked up, but in the meantime, go out and get it and play with it for yourself. It'll cost you nothing, and I guarantee you that it won't be long before you're wondering how you ever lived without your digital brain.